Article 3, Bill of Rights. Section 1. No person should be deprived of life, liberty, and property without due process of law, or nor shall any person should be denied of equal protection of laws. Section 2. The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and other effect against unreasonable search and seizures of whatever nature and for any purpose should be inviolable, and no such warrant of arrest shall issue except the probable cause should to be determined personally by the judge after examination under with or affirmation of the complainant and the witnesses he may produce, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the things to be seized. Section 3. The privacy of communication and correspondence shall be inviolable except upon lawful under of court, or when public safety or other requires otherwise as prescribed by law. Section 4. No law shall be passed abridge the freedom of speech, of expression, or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble the petition of the government of the redress of the grievances. Section 5. No law shall be made respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof. Section 6. The liberty of abund and of the changing of the same within the limits prescribed by law shall not be impaired except upon lawful order of the court. Section 7. The right of the people to information on matters of public concern shall be recognized. Section 8. The right of the people, including those employment in the private and public sectors, to form unless the association or societies for purposes of contrary to law shall not the abridge. Section 9. Private property should be taking of public use of composition. Section 10. No law impairing the obligation of contract shall be passed. Section 11. Free access to the courts and quasi-judicial bodies and adequate legal assistance shall not denied to any person of reason of liberty. Section 12. Any person under investigation for the commission of an offense all have the right to be informed of his right to remain silent and to have competent and independent counsel, preferable for his own choice. Section 13. All persons except this discharged with offenses punishable by reclusion perpetua when evidence of guilt is strong shall before conviction be valuable by the sufficient sureties and to release or to recognize not to be impaired even when the privilege of the right of habeas corpus is suspected. Article 14. Section 14. No person should be held to answer the criminal offenses without due process of law. Section 15. The privilege of the right of habeas corpus shall not be suspected exception cases of the invasion of rebellion when the public safety requires it. Section 16. All persons should have the right to have a speedy disposition of their cases before all judicial, quasi-judicial, or administrative bodies. Section 17. No person should be compelled to be witness against him. Section 18. No person should be denied solely by reason his political belief and aspiration. No involuntary servitude in any form shall exist except of his political belief and aspiration. Section 19. Excessive fines shall not be imposed per cruel, degrading, or inhuman punishment inflicted. Neither shall death penalty should be imposed. Article 20, Section 20. Section 20. No person shall be imprisoned or debt. No person should be imprisoned for debt or for non-payment of full of tax. Section 21. No person should be twice put in the jeopardy of punishment of ordinance, conviction of acquittal under either shall constitute a bar to another prosecution of the same act. Section 22. No ex facto law or bail attender should be enacted.